Hi, today I'm going to be talking about 4 different ways to deliver your speech. So once you consider the specific occasion and the listener's expectations, as well as other demands brought about by the setting when you are choosing the specific delivery style. The most common delivery style would be the extemporaneous style. This is when you are presenting your speech using an abbreviated set of speaking notes. It involves thoroughly researching your topic and carefully organizing your ideas into a keyword outline. And when you're practicing this speech, you're given the flexibility to change specific words or examples. Some other advantages are that you get to talk directly to the audience and observe their reactions to make any needed adjustments. However, there's no specific way to construct your speech, and you do revising and refining more than once during the process. But this delivery method is usually used during class presentations and when you're talking about something that you are passionate and you know a lot about. Another delivery style would be impromptu, meaning that you are delivering your speech with little to no preparation. This is usually very spontaneous and casual and used in class discussions or debates. But some advantages are that you get to practice your public speaking skills and thinking creatively. It does not have to be perfect, so by eliminating the pressures of a formal speech, you get to let loose and enjoy it more. However, you do not know when you are going to be chosen to speak, and you might not sound as fluent as you would like. A manuscript speech, on the other hand, is sort of the opposite of a impromptu speech, because with this style, you are presenting a carefully prepared speech using a manuscript, usually in a formal or ceremonial setting. And the advantages of this would be that you get to carefully choose your words and phrase your most important ideas as best as possible. So you can't really move, you might not be able to move or use gestures when you are using this, and you can sound artificial or flat as well, and you are not as flexible and as engaging with your audience as you would like. So it's important to use good oral skills and practice extensively with this style. The last delivery method would be the memorized speech, and this is presented without any notes, but still must be carefully prepared ahead of time. You have to memorize every part of the speech from beginning to end, and these are given at retirement, dinners, or weddings, but usually they're not as common anymore. But this style allows you to research and organize your key ideas and involves consistent practicing as well. If you take advantage of all of that, then you can really have a good speech and the delivery can be very successful as well. However, this style makes it hard to focus on the main ideas and focus on the listeners as well, because you mostly focus on like the phrasing of your speech, on like the exact phrasing. And so those are the 4 delivery styles, and in the end it's really just about experimenting with these styles to figure out what makes you most comfortable and what makes you more confident and makes you sound more or makes you sound like you have, or makes you sound with conviction. So thank you.